Affiliate marketing is still one of the most profitable online income streams in 2025 if you choose the right niches. Let's break down 5 affiliate niches that actually pay. 1. AI and automation tools. Everyone wants to make money with AI, which makes this niche hot. Promote tools like Jasper, ChatGPT plugins, or AI video editors. Payouts are high because they're SaaS-based and often subscription-based. 2. Financial products. Think credit cards, budgeting apps, or investing platforms. These companies pay big for new referrals, sometimes $50 to $200 per sign-up. There's always high demand, and content is easy to SEO. 3. Digital courses and info products. Course creators offer 30-60% affiliate commissions. Think self-improvement, business, or creator tools. You can use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or ClickBank to find top sellers. 4. Website and funnel builders. Products like Systeme.io, ClickFunnels, and Builderall pay recurring commissions. Target creators, agencies, and solopreneurs who want to automate their sales. 5. Health and wellness. From fitness programs to supplements, this niche never dies. Just make sure the affiliate programs are legit and not overloaded with competition. Focus on niches like sleep, gut health, or women's wellness. Final tip: pick one niche and go deep. Create value-packed content, build trust, and let the links do the work. The right affiliate strategy in 2025 can literally replace your 9-to-5.